Hey everyone, it's Adam. In today's short video, I'm going to talk about how you can add meds and treatments to C1B, my caregiving application for iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. Okay, let's take a look at the iPhone. Over here, we have a test profile, and I'm going to go tap on the main navigation, and I'm going to say meds and treatments. So I have a couple things already right here. We're going to delete them. That one and this one. And we're going to add some meds and treatments. So let's say we have to take the acyclovir, and we're going to take a 400 milligram tablet twice a day. So one twice a day with food. Boom, and there it's done. We're going to add another one. Let's say you have to take allopurinol, and you can see that my application is doing a lookup, and you can just tap that. You can say you need to take 2 tablets and days, let's see, 2 on day 1 and 1 for next 9 days. Let's change the dosage to 1. Like that. And let's say we have to take back trim. Let's say we're going to take the 800 one, and we have to take 1, and you have to avoid sunlight. That one. And we're going to add Granix, which is an injectable. We want to go for the, say, this one. Okay, and then we'll add prednisone. Let's say we want the 10 milligram tablet. Which ones we have here? Take that one. And this one we have to take, let's say we have to take 7 of these. And we say days 1 through 5 of chemo cycle. Okay. And what else we got? We got Zyrtec, which is also called tyrosine. Let's say, not sure on the strength of this one. Let's just say this one. Take 1 of those. And let's get some acetaminophen, also known as Tylenol. And we'll get the regular strength, which is the 325. I'll do the chewable. I'll do the disintegrating. Do this one. And you take 1. And what else do we have here? We have a infusion. So the example that I'm giving here is someone who's undergoing chemo treatment. So let's just say R-CHOP. And this is a prescription medicine. Dosage form is injection, intravenous. And the dosage amount it's up to the doctors to decide. And then finally, we have a PICC line flush, which is more of a care item. PICC flush. Type that out correctly. And that is a line care flush. Like that. And we're going to give 10 milliliters in 1 injection. Capitalize that flush. There we go. Now, what's great about C1B is that you can also add little icons for your medicines. So, for instance, if the acetaminophen looks like a little white pill, we can change the shape to a circle and make it white. And let's say we have the Bactrim, which is kind of like a big, thick pill. We can say it looks like this, and it looks like that. And then we have, say, Granix, which is more of a injection. So I'll give it a little red icon here. And then the R-CHOP is also an injection. We'll do like that. Prednisone, I think, are little white tablets. So I'll make them white. And then let's see, acyclovir. I think that's like a kind of like a pink tablet. Let's do a custom thing. Let's say that one. And then the shape is kind of like this shield looking shape. So let's see if I have a shield. There we go. What else do we have? Allopurinol. I'm not sure what that looks like. But let's just say that looks like a pill shape. Let's say make that white too. And then the cetirizine, let's say that's like a different color. I'm not sure which one that one is. Say that looks like that. And a little circle. And then finally, do we have all of them? Yeah, we have all of them. The PICC line flush looks like that. So you can see here, we can customize the look of our meds and treatments to be exactly how you take them, okay? So now, that's basically how you add meds and treatments to your profile. Hope this helps. We'll see you in the next video on C1B, my caregiving application.